All right, so now we're gonna prepare that Thai chicken pita pizza. And some of the ingredients we have, peanut butter, we're gonna make a Thai peanut sauce with that. We've got some fresh chicken. Again, this is another thing that you can actually buy pre-made. You can use leftovers if you have it, or even buying a rotisserie chicken and just pulling the meat from it's a great way to go about it. Some mozzarella cheese. This is a little miso ginger dressing. We're gonna use that to make our Thai peanut sauce. That peanut sauce is gonna be used on the pita pizza as well as our side salad. We've got some fresh carrots. That is gonna be used on the pita pizza as well as the salad as well. We've got some fresh lime, and then we're gonna garnish it with some green onions. So the first thing I wanna do is actually make that dressing. So we're gonna take the peanut butter, mix it with our dressing, and what you'll wanna do is actually thin it out with a little bit of water. Just makes it easier to spread. Go ahead and mix that. And once that's mixed, we'll just kind of put it to the side. I'm gonna pull that pita back. All right, so we're gonna get some of our dressing now. And again, make sure that you thin it out with that water so that it becomes spreadable. You want to leave a little edge for the crust, and remember you're going to use this dressing in the salad, so save some for that as well. Depending on how much you like peanut butter, you can put as little or as much on there as you'd like. At that point, we're going to put a little bit of the chicken on there. Some of the cheese. Carrots, again, gonna save some of that for the salad. And then just garnish it with some green onion. Once you get the last of the toppings on there, you're gonna throw it in the oven. You're gonna cook it 10 minutes on 400 degrees or until crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven and wait for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make that salad. So while the pita's in the oven cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make that side salad. We're going to use some of that carrot. I'm gonna put some of that dressing on there. A little salt and pepper. Toss it and enjoy. All right, the cheese is bubbling just how I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. So go ahead and cut that thing to your liking. Pop it on a plate. Garnish with a couple more green onions. A little bit of lime. And enjoy. Bon appetit. Absolutely perfect, and that lime really rounds things out. Hopefully you enjoyed these recipes and noted that they're all super easy to make, and I can tell you they're very tasty. You can find them on our YouTube channel at Evolution Nutrition. You can also find them in our platform. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes and you take the opportunity to make them for yourself. Please give us your feedback, and thank you so much for joining me.